So business firms take various decisions to meet competition. The objective of business is survival. The objective of business is growth. The objective of business is profit. So all these objectives are possible only if the business can meet competition. If competition defeats, then survival, growth, profit will become impossible. So market is a place where market. So there's a lot of fighting going on. So it's clear that competition is a very important part of business. I need to survive. I need to make profit. So one of the important market condition is competition. How do I fight this competition? I am forced to make certain changes. Why am I making changes? So that I can fight the competition. What changes do I make? I make certain changes in my product design. If I make a better design, I will defeat the competition. I make a change in the price policy. I was selling at 200. People were not happy. Customers were not happy. Okay, Diwali Bonanza, the same product at 120 rupees, 40% Diwali discount. So I made a change in the price. Distribution channels. Now I am distributing my product via Amazon, Flipkart, online availability. You need not go to any store. And various promotional strategies have been applied so that I can win over my competitors. So when we talk about business, when we talk about product, basically competition needs to be addressed. There are various competitors. So dear students, now we come to meaning of market. Market means a mechanism through which products and services are exchanged, sold and transferred, buying and selling. Of course, the seller will sell, the buyer will buy. So, market is a mechanism. We will understand this word vividly. But in common language, the term market is used to refer a place where buyers and sellers meet to effect purchases and sales. We are using this word place to denote market. But Amazon, I am buying products sitting at the comfort of my home. Where is the market? Mechanism, the app, the Amazon app is a mechanism through which products and services are exchanged. So in common language, it used to be a place, only a place, but these days we are living in a world of technology. So market is also a mechanism. In the real sense, the term market means the sum total of the environment. Technology is also a part of external environment. Sum total of environment in which resources, activities and attitudes. Activities, they are talking about manufacturing activities, an attitude of buyers and sellers that affect the demand for product and services. So I'm quite sure you guys are quite clear about meaning of market. We continue again. Thank you so much.